Welcome to another experiment. This time it's oscillating ice spheres. There will be a number of similar shaped and weighted ice spheres with a simple tie wrap put in during the freezing process, so I can adjust the height of the sphere within the simple framework and equally spaced but different length strings. So we see they're all at different lengths, and the process is simple. Just pull them all back a similar distance, let go, and watch what oscillations they make in the air. And that's exactly what I'd like to see, the way they make the snake shape. Remember, they're all exactly similar weights with just different length strings. And let's see that in slow motion to appreciate the oscillation even more. As they get out of step, they make a symphony in motion. Super. I'd like to see that again. Hope you do too. Thanks for joining me in this simple experiment. Join me again soon for more of the same.